Hello everyone, have a good day. So this video is a story time. This is a short video as well regarding what happened to me last 5 months ago and how good and powerful God is into my life. So I just want to share na before pa talaga I really thought na meron lang talaga akong eldest na babae at second child na lalaki. But then God reminded me with His vision, with my dreams na tatlo yung batang dala-dala ko. No? I have a dream with a malaking tree na color green na tree. And then my eldest and my husband went there. Pumunta sila dun. And then I was questioned na meron akong I have my second child sa left hand and another child sa right hand ko. No? And then right after that vision, God told me, pag 35 mo, manganganak ka pa. And then, nung nalaman ko na pregnant ako, God reminded me with that whisper and with that vision. So, nung nalaman ko, I don't have any words. Well, hindi ko talaga in-expect. I was so surprised. And, sabi ko na lang, then, Lord, if it is your will, then yes, Lord. Oh? Then, indeed, I was 35 years old na ngayon. So, fast forward, and yung malapit na ako manganak. But before pa po ako nanganak, no, so hindi po ako nagstay sa home. No, pumupunta pa rin ako ng church, nagsa-Sunday service pa rin po, nag-ELG pa rin po, nagli-leadership meeting disciples ni Lord, and pumupunta sa mga house church. Hindi po ako nakatambay sa bahay kasi ayoko po, iniiwasan ko po talaga na mag-overthink, no? And po, while po na nasa outside po ako, I feel so happy, enjoy, and satisfied. Then, malapit na po talaga akong manganak, medyo kabado na, kinakabahan na din ako kasi alam ko talaga yung process kasi po I am cesarean section and alam ko or nakakatrauma para sa akin yung mga pinagdaanan ko ng first and second child. So the Lord said prepared, no, just one word, prepared. Then sabi ko, yes Lord, minsan talaga yes lang tayo ng yes Lord. Pero pag nasa actual situation ka na, ang hirap. Yung sabi mo yes Lord, pero pag dinaanan mo na, ang hirap talaga. Doon mo masasabi na test after test yung gagawin mo. Meron akong picture, no, excuse me lang dun sa picture na yan. Look at me. Yan yung picture ko nung after my operation with anesthesia. Yan, ito po yung epekto, no, kapag na-anesthesia ka. So I don't know sa mga mother na cesarean section kung ano po yung impact sa inyo o after pregnancy, pero sa akin ito po magang-maga talaga. Mata, ilong, muka, paa, katawan, pero mukha lang yung napicturan ko dito, pero magang-maga talaga. Ganyan kahirap. Ganyan din kahirap maging ina. Pero it's worth, no? It's worth it. Masasabi mo talagang it's really worth it. Tingnan nyo naman. A good boy and a healthy boy. No? I name him Fire Ari Ari means a baby lion or a lion in Hebrew word. So, then, nung nasa hospital ako, no, ang challenge, kasi nasa public hospital ako nun. But then, God really is good and powerful. Because along the way, He tests my He tests my attitude, my character, my emotion, and all. Everything. No, kasi mahirap talaga pag nasa hospital ka. So, sa mga mommy na nakaka-experience ng grabing pain, no, I understand you. No, I got you. Ramdam ko kung anong kahirap, normal man o cesarean section. And fast forward naman tayo dito sa pagiging mommy na naman. Dito yung realidad dun. Ito tayo. Dito yung ma-i-experience mo na naman ng another level of emotional status mo, no? So, dito ka naman sa pagbabantay, pagpapadede, pagpapaligo, pagpapabihis. Hindi nakasali yung mga gawain sa bahay. So, nakita nyo naman, no? Or alam ko or ang ibig sabihin, hindi ko alam kung anong as a mom, anong ginagawa mo, no? As a single din, sa mga na single na nakikinig dyan, mag-isip-isip muna bago pumunta sa pag-aasawa. Pag hindi pa handa, huwag mo muna i-push. Baka meron talagang perfect time para sa'yo. To end this video, I just want to acknowledge all the moms out there na naka-experience din kung gaano kahirap kagaya ko, no, maging isang mom na cesarean. I have 3 kids na, puro lahat sila cesarean. And to those na nagde-decide or naghahanap ng advice ng mga single mom, ng mga single dyan na gustong maging mom to be, no, it really takes heart to be a mother. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. See you soon!